Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix GTA 5 fail to initialize critical data. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to make sure that your operating system and your GPU drivers is fully updated. And to do so, to check it, go on search and then here check for updates, and then press this button. And if there is an update for you that you need to download and install, please do so. Restart your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. Same thing with your GPU drivers, depending of course on what you're using, AMD or NVIDIA. There is two separate apps to that. So if you're using NVIDIA, there is GeForce Experience that you download completely for free. Go to drivers, check for updates, and then you need to download the latest drivers and install. You start your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And also there is a simple way to that. You need to go to device manager, then you need to go to display adapters here, right click on it, update driver, and search automatically for drivers and install it here, right? And if the problem still persists, then you need to open up your client where you got basically GTA 5. For me is on Steam. And then what you need to do here is to right click on it, go to properties, and then you just need to go to install files and verify integrity of the game files. It will take a couple of minutes, but if you have some corrupted game files that they need to be fixed, it will help you a lot here. And if you're playing on Epic Games, super similar as well. Epic Games Launcher here, and then you need to go to library, and then you should see your game. Press this burger menu, then you need to go to manage and then verify. It will be here, right? And if this doesn't work, then another thing that you can do here is to press Windows and A key, or on search just simply write run, and then here you need to write %sign appdata %sign, press OK. And then you need to press on app data, local, and then you need to find Rockstar game files, Rockstar basically folder here. And first, what you need to do here is completely shut down GTA 5 and Rockstar games, and then delete this folder. And don't worry about it, it's just the cache files, it won't affect your saved games, things or whatsoever, right? And after that, what you need to do here is to go back on Steam or whatever you play, verify integrity of the game files again, and it should work. And for some reason if it's not working, then you need to go to services, click on one of the tasks here and press R, and then press R until you see Rockstar Game Library Service. And what you need to do here is to right click on it, go to properties, make sure to make it to automatic, and then if the server status is stopped, make it to start, right? And that should fix your problem. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.